Good morning, students. I am Asutosh Ranjan, science teacher from Modern English School, Bihar Sari branch. As I am teaching you your 8th chapter, Movement in Animals, I have introduced about this chapter, and I have also taught that which system of human body help in movement of human and also in other animals. So as I have discussed that about a skeletal system play very important role in movement of human. Also other organ systems also help. Muscular system also help in movement of animals, but a skeletal system play very important role in movement of human. So a skeletal system is found in different parts in our body. A skeletal system is a framework of our body made up of bones and give a strength and support to our body, by which our body move. So one by one I will discuss different parts of a skeletal system. So today's term is about a skull. A skull is hard covering of brain. Brain is protected by the covering of bone that is called a skull, and there are 22 bones. Means when 22 bones are attached, then a skull is formed, and these bones are attached to each other with immovable joints. Means in a skull all bones and joints are fixed, they will not move. It protects brain, and in it all delicate organs. So a skull is covering of bones, so many joints, but only one joint is in this joint. It means under a skull our all faces included in a skull. Only one joint is movable, that is joint of lower jaw. Lower jaw allow movement while eating, speaking, laughing. This is the movable joint, which is only movable joint in our skull, and it protects brain from external unnecessary force. So this is the first part and very important part of a skeletal system. As we know that brain is very important for our body, so its protection is also necessary. So a skull protects our brains. Next part of brain that I will discuss, that is ribs. Ribs are thin, flat and curved bones that form a protective cage around the organs, and these cage-like structure protect some delicate and soft organs. These are heart and lungs. Means heart and lungs are surrounded by rib cage, and rib cage are made up of 12 pairs of ribs, means 20 bones. 20 bones are attached in ribs, and by this cage-like structure our heart and lungs are surrounded, and this cage-like structure protect lungs and heart to our body from any external force, external pressure. So this is the two main structures of our skeletal system. Limbs are also very important structure in our body by which movement in humans take place. As I have discussed previously, limbs are of two types in our body: hand limbs and forelimbs. Forelimbs is in upper parts. Those are arms. Our hands are known as forelimbs, whereas hand limbs is lower limbs. Hand limbs are found in lower part, that is lower limbs. Hand limbs are lower limbs. These are legs, and with the help of legs we move, we walk, and means hand limbs help us in movement, whereas forelimbs help in different functions: lifting, catching, grasping, and also help in other life activities. So these are some parts of our skeletal system. So for today that's all. Further I will discuss another point related to this chapter. Thank you. Have a nice day.